I don't like this shit. A little crooked. Well, I wish Rob was here so he could help me and finish this up, but unfortunately he's not, so he needs his nice bender back, which means I gotta get cracking on this thing right now today. I only have a few hours left to use that, so I'm gonna try and knock out as much as I can, making this top bar here, another bar here for the harness, but I wanna bring it back so it clears the seat. I'm gonna have to do a dash bar and then try and crack away on the door bars, whatever I can get done before it has to go away and back to Rob and his shop. I feel like it's about time that we start to drive it and get the cage completely finished. So thanks, Rob, for making me do this a little bit faster, and also I have to get another bender. Thanks. So my first step today, I'm going to be building this bar in here. And I kind of got lucky off of one of the bars I already cut. It's pretty much the same length that I need. I want to bring it up just a bit so it's out of line of sight of the driver. In order for this to be correct, I want to bring it to about here at the end of it, and then I want to bend this in just a bit so it looks nice and it kind of has the same look as that, which I also plan on putting a bar from here to there. And I'll do the same in this section here. So I've already made a center line of where I think we should be. From there, I'm gonna measure in how far I want the bend to start and notch it up and weld it in. So this bar is now bent, going to be somewhere in here. But because I'm on limited time, I'm gonna try and do as many bends as I can. So now I'm gonna move on to the harness bar because I want it to just sit behind the seat. So I'm gonna get onto that bend now. So I did a quick measurement in between the bars and also wanted it to be below this point of the seat, just so the harness fits nice. And I'll probably do it pretty similar to how I did this bar here. But I also don't want it to stick out too far this way because it would be awkward for the harnesses to fit on there. So I would rather have the bend closer to here rather than out too far. And it'll give us a little bit of clearance for everything else we want to do as well. So I've done basically the same thing I did up there for this rear harness bar. You can see it's just a little bit long. Did it on purpose just because I wanted to see what it would look like. But as of now, hopefully I can get almost everything bent up so tomorrow I can just stick everything on. So I made this test piece the other day. For that, as a mock-up, like I said, I wanted this to be even with that outside wheel. It's a little bit long, but it was just for a general shape. So now I'm using this test piece because it's the wrong material as a template to make a new one. See, I've already made the first bend, and I marked this bend the other day so I can kind of make them exactly the same. Sorry. Tell them sorry.
Sorry.
This is why I don't get stuff done in time.
Boss is in town, alright?
Goal of the day, get this baby in, put a dash bar in. I'd like to connect the steering to it. Maybe some door bars in the harness bar, put a seat in it. I want to do a burnout like really bad, at least. Maybe some donuts.
It seems like you've been doing this thing for a long time.
It has, doesn't it? Something's getting connected up front. I think I'm going to do the dash bar first. How's it look? Not bad. Just trim it up a little bit. Smooth it out, make it look nice. It's pretty decent, assuming the suspension's all good. That's it. Fresh cut on the front bar here. Digging the way it looks. Got a level sitting on it. Got everything sitting kind of where I want to, so I'm just gonna tack it up and weld it and move on to the next part. I like it. I like it. Well, since I put the rake on the A-pillar bar, it's sitting down kind of low, and I don't want this to be like an obstruction of view. If this was straight across, it would be kind of in their way. So I put a little bit of a bend to it. I plan on putting another bar in here just to kind of match like I do right here. My guess is right here, and then I'm gonna measure that gap, and hopefully it looks the same. 48 and height. So I'm just trying to get a start to where I want to put the bend. I don't know if I want to tilt it up or have it straight out. So I'm just getting it cut down a little bit so I can feed it in to see what looks all right. Better not fuck this up.
Let's go see what Danger Dan's doing to the Miata. Dang! What up?
Hey.
Dude, it's got a roof. Where's Scotto's head? Does this come to the top of his head?
No, he's actually about right here.
That seems like it's way up there.
It's way higher than Miata.
Now, what's your qualm with that? Like, if you move it forward, does it look just like it's like in the way, or?
Well, see, because it has a rake to it, it's gonna keep dropping down.
Yeah, of course.
So it's gonna bring it closer to the line of sight. And I also wanted to put a bar here.
That looks sick.
Yeah, so that in there, it makes a good oh shit handle.
Yeah, it kind of like completes this whole.
Yeah, it makes it look more like a windshield. That's what I wanted.
Very stylish, Dan. Handsome Dan. Oh, that's the new name. Cut to Wayne's World 2.
Hi, Handsome Dan.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Come on now. Look at that hair. You know what this is. So when do we do like custom engraving on all of this?
Let's start right now if you want.
Nar. Anything else you want to update us with?
Add more bars. So I bent these bad boys up for somewhat of like a Nerf bar. Put a little plate there. This is all tacked up, ready to go. I'll probably weld that in a little while. I just want to get everything tacked up and take a stand back and look at it. I don't like this shit. A little crooked. I'll straighten that up. And I like this bar over here. Sitting nice and straight. Even with the wheel, pretty cool. Give me a good trajectory to get some door bars in, or Nerf bars for that matter. And then the door bar will be on the inside there for actual structure. I'm gonna get the welding stuff. It's all welded up. It's in there. Pretty tough. Nerf bars. Keep cracking. I want to drive it.
I haven't heard much about the shark cart recently, so I'm gonna see what Dan's been doing. Danger Dan.
Just the man I wanted to see.
Oh, you were looking for me?
I need that.
I just came to check out the shark cart. You need my thickness?
I need that fitness. I need the fitness in that.
Oh, my fitness, not my thickness.
No. Well, I need somebody of your beautiful stature. That's what I need exactly right now.
All right.
Specifically you.
The only reason I can imagine these radiator mounts and this radiator is sitting here is because you plan on driving it.
I want to drive it.
So what do you need me for? What are we doing?
Well, see, I already put all this in, but I need you to sit in there so I can locate the steering.
All right, let me, I
think you want to I'm gonna sit up in there.
I'm gonna come in from the top. I don't.
Probably a really good idea. You know what? I think the front's the best. Like if you use it.
I'll try it next time.
Look at that.
Like a glove.
It fits just fine.
So yeah, we in here. We in the shark card. I got some head clearance. Oh yeah, you got mad head clearance. Ah man, I can't believe.
It's not attack. That was for show.
Oh man.
How high is that to you?
I thought I broke it. I like
the
that.
armrest.
Yeah, nice little shoulder.
Cool, because there's gonna be one coming out here too.
But
Just
it's
as long as it
definitely we
doesn't-
gotta definitely be careful on the
Yeah,
elbows.
just don't interfere with
Yeah.
you. That's all.
All right.
Is that comfortable? Can
Yeah,
you get
yeah.
your pedals?
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
So I want you to just center this up, wherever you think that's nice, and how high does it want to be?
I would say right about there.
Right about there? I'm just marking left and right. I'll probably use a bit of a spacer in here too. Ready to get burned? Don't look at it.
I won't look at it. Ah!
You look at it?
No.
Is it hot?
I'm just dancing just in case, you know.
I like the movements. All right. Just tack. Now feel it
Danger
out.
Dan.
Feel it out. How's it feel? That's some fancy footwork, Hurt.
We got this. We got this.
We got this.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. Get out. Dude already trusts my cage standing up.
Hey, yeah, no, that's a strong Johnny. Dang. All right, so
I'm gonna weld this up.
you gonna finish up the cage?
If
Steering
you hear
wheels
some
on?
loud shit, it's me doing donuts in here. That's serious.
All right, good
some
luck.
serious stuff.
Good luck.
Bye.
Montage. Dan, what are you doing?
Oh, hey.
Look at this. Dan,
Sketchy at best.
I don't know what you're doing, but I like your style. Let's see it.
And this is a passenger seat. I just put 2 bolts in it, so it's good.
I respect the hustle.
Stolen cars.
I respect the scumbaggery. Shark card, first outing, or inning. That's what's up. Yeah, boy! Shark card is alive! Kill switch? It's a little hot already. Hey, your radiator didn't work, dude.
I didn't really bleed it.
Why didn't your radiator
Hey,
work?
it worked. That's an overflow, bro.
Oh, all right, you good.
That's fine. I just got you.
All right, I'm getting back to work.
You could say I was excited to finish this because I just wanted to drive it, but we couldn't go outside, have too many cars on the dock, which has been kind of a pain, but it's operational now, it's driving, and I just want to do more in it than just drive it and I don't care. Let's just rip this thing. Start making it look cool, build the front end, get the radiator moved to the rear, and I'm super excited. So next time, let's update this. And hopefully we update it with a big ass burnout outside. That's what I want to do, is have a little bit more space with it. Hope you like those donuts. That's a wrap!